advocating for manufacturing issues, and we do fact-based advocacy, meaning that we use data and facts in our engagement with, mainly with the government and its agencies. And we produce documents such as you can go search sector deep dive report, which we launched last year, Manufacturing Priority Agenda 2019, and Manufacturing Survey 2017. And we have 7 chapters cut across counties which we have manufacturing activities, and we are organized along 14 sectors and over 1,000 members. And we are 60 years old, and we are celebrating it's the whole of 2019. And yesterday, CAM launched the Chagamuka Shopping Festival to celebrate that, and also have Kenyans join us in the celebrations. And it will happen from yesterday until Saturday. And you are most welcome to go and sample the richness and diversity of the manufacturing sector in Kenya. So Chagamuka is one of the key highlights. Another one is on EMA Management Awards that will take place on 12th April 2019 at the Safari Park Hotel, and you are most welcome. So when I was conceptualizing this presentation, I think it is important to observe what they are known as stylized facts of economic development, that very few countries have attained the developed country status without the role of manufacturing. Very few. And those countries, the few, such as Dubai, UAE, Oman, and the like, you can figure out they are small countries. Others are resource-based economies, such as those in the Middle East, like Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. But the others, they have attained that status because of industrial manufacturing, and especially where it is export-oriented. That is the surest path to richness. So now, because of the question of trade, briefly, what are the tradability prospects of those 4 agendas? So we start with so for purposes of this presentation, we are saying trade implies export trade. So in terms of food security and